If your C drive is turning red and your PC keeps saying low storage, this video is for you. Most people start deleting apps, photos, or random folders, but that's not the smart way. Today I'll show you 5 powerful CMD commands that can free up 40 to 60 gigabytes of space safely without deleting your important files. And the best part, no software needed. First, click on Search and then type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If you ask for permission, click Yes. Now let's begin with cleaning temporary files. Windows stores temporary files, cache, and leftover junk every day. Over time, these files can take several gigabytes. Type this command and press Enter. This removes hidden temporary junk files and can instantly recover space. Next, delete Windows Update leftovers. After updates, Windows often keeps old downloaded files that are no longer needed. First, stop update services. Type netstop wuauserv and hit Enter. This command will stop Windows Update service. Again, type netstop bits and hit Enter. It will stop background intelligent transfer service. Now open File Explorer and go to this folder. C:\Windows\software distribution\download. Now delete everything inside that folder. After that, come back to CMD and then restart the services by typing these commands. First type netstart wuauserv and hit Enter. Then type netstart bits and press Enter. This method is safe and highly effective. Third, clean old system update files. Windows also stores outdated system components after updates. Type this command, DISM/online/cleanup-image/StartComponentCleanup and press Enter. This cleans unnecessary system files and can recover even more storage. Fourth, instantly free huge hidden space. If you never use hibernate mode, disable it now. Windows keeps a hidden hibernation file that can use 10 gigabytes, 15 gigabytes, even 20 gigabytes plus, depending on your RAM size. Type this command, powercfg-h off. Press Enter. One command disables hibernate and instantly deletes that large hidden file. Final, remove old restore points and shadow backups. Your PC may be storing old restore points or shadow copies silently in the background. First, check them. Type vssadmin list shadows and hit Enter. This will show all the restoring points that are created in your PC. In my case, I have only 2. So if you need urgent space and don't need old backups, remove them. Type vssadmin delete shadows /all/quiet and press Enter. This can free another 10 to 20 gigabytes or more on some systems, but use this only if you no longer need previous restore copies. After using these methods, refresh your C drive and check the difference. Many users go from red storage warning to plenty of free space in minutes. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Tech Resolve, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.